It was wonderful the first time when I visited in February. Of course, I just started visiting again, so I can't say much. But already, from what I can see, the people here at Kokrajar Government College, soon to be university, they were very kind, very caring. In fact, 6 of the Kokrajar College's best professors visited me at the Circuit House last night, and we had a wonderful discussion. So, I would like to say thank you to everybody at Bodoland University, where I visited last time, and Kokrajar Government College, which will become Kokrajar University soon, which I'm visiting this time. So it's been a wonderful experience.
Your assist to little but what's so talented. Any message
excuse me, something
for
wrong.
the youths like you?
Give it to me, please.
I would say that for other people who are children, it's not necessary to achieve so much at a small age. But if you really want to, all you really need to do is, first you have to get lucky. You have to have a good environment, good parents, lots of resources and textbooks to read. But also you have to put in the hard work yourself. So really, I am unimaginably lucky, but I've also put in so much work, so I can say it's not very easy.
What is your aim in your life?
My aim is to educate as many people as possible in math and science, because I think it's a wonderful thing that more people need to know about and appreciate the same way as they appreciate other subjects.
Because you were interested in the students. How you were interested in how you are students
What?
interview session.
There is the interview session with the students of the college. So how do you feel?
You are going to interact with the student today in this
yes,
college.
yes.
So what will be the topic?
So hopefully it will mostly be about math and physics, because those are the 2 topics that I have expertise in most. And usually when they're about questions that we didn't ask for, topics that we didn't ask for example, psychology, then we just skip them and move to the next one. Some of these questions are very, very interesting, and some of these questions take lots of time to understand. And I think asking questions is very important, because that's how you challenge others and learn yourself in life. So I'm very much looking forward to the question and answer session.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
To the whole Professor Subarna Isaac Barikar.
Isaac, handshake 2-3 people.
Namaste and Kulumbai. A very good morning to one and all present here today. First of all, I thank for participating in this remarkable event. We are also privileged to have the proud father of Professor Bai, that is Mr. Rasidul Bai, teacher himself to a Brooklyn Tech, USA, New York. So I would like the student fraternity to please welcome Sir with an Aronite and a bouquet.
Just hold it.
I have So thank you, sir,